Hello friends, this is Shukriyo and welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. In this video, I will try to solve a common problem a beginner has while it comes to placement of a fish tank or an aquarium. When you buy a fish tank, you need a safe place to place it, and at the same time it has to be cost effective, flexible, scalable and durable. This problem can be solved with slotted iron rack. The vertical slotted angle is of 14 gauge and the shelf is of 22 gauge, and hence it is cost effective. You can get the vertical angle at rupees 25 per feet length, and the shelf you can get from rupees 300 to 400 each. Each 36-inch rack can easily hold 100 kg of weight, which is a filled 25-gallon aquarium. It is flexible in the sense that you can easily install and place it anywhere. It is stitched together using nut and bolts, and you need and all you need is two range to stitch or unstitch it. You can add as many shelves as you want and adjust the gap of the shelf as per your need. One suggestion is do not increase the height to more than 4 feet, as easily you can have 3 shelves in such a height. It will help you in daily maintenance of your aquarium. It is scalable, as easily you can decrease or increase the height of the shelf as per your need. It is also durable, and the angle joints keep the shelf in place. Always use the angle joints in all places. Before placing an aquarium, always use a thermocol sheet. And I will show you a close-up view of how it is stitched and where the angle is placed. So you can uh, see this is the angle, okay, and these three nut bolts, okay, is used to stitch it together. So this angle is very important, okay. These will hold this shelf and this vertical angle in place, okay, if you place heavier weight in it. So this angle is used in all corner. Okay, so this is very important, and you can see these slots available. Okay, these slots are available so you can use any slot, okay, as per your requirement, and you can decrease or increase the height. This height you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. I will try to show you the full sail, so that is in place. See, it has one rack in the bottom and one rack in the middle. So this is where I am going to place my 25-gallon aquarium, and that in the top I will place another aquarium. So as a beginner you can use this sort of rack to place your aquarium, and it will solve your purpose. So thanks for watching this video.